All right, welcome to Math with Mr. Strands. This is Zeta, Matthew C, Lesson 3. Okay, so we're talking about place value now. Fill in the missing numbers under the lines. Okay, so if we see here, our decimal is going to be right here. Okay, so if we go 4 places to the left, we have 1,000. 3 places to the left is 100. 2 places to the left is going to be our tens place. 1 place to the left is going to be our ones place. Okay, if we go right of the decimal, see how our numbers on the left side get bigger as they go further out. On the right side, they're going to get smaller as they get farther out. So we got 1 over 10. This one's going to be 1 over 100, 1 over 1,000. Okay, 2 and 3, right, multiply or divide in the correct blanks. So when moving to the left in place value, when moving this way, okay, we are going to be multiplying by 10. Multiply by 10. When moving to the right, okay, you're going to be dividing by 10. Okay, number 4, write an expanded notation. The first one has been done for you. All right, so now we have expanded notation with decimals. All right, you can kind of see in the one that's been done for you where the decimals begin. Okay, they're going to begin like right here, right? Because we have fractions now on the right side, whole numbers on the left side. So if we have 67.21 for number 5, we're going to have 6 times 10, which represents 60, plus 7 times 1, right? Plus 2 times 1 over 10, plus 1 times 1 over 100. And you can see that this is your tens place, this is your hundreds place. Okay, exponential notation now. First one's been done for you. Okay, so number 7, we got 2 times, that's going to be 10 to the 0 power, representing the ones place, plus, you could put the 0 in. I'll put that in so we can see what it looks like. 0 times 1 over 10 to the first power, plus 7 times 1 over 10 to the second power. Okay, number 8, write in decimal notation. So now decimal notation, once they want us to give the full answer with the decimal in there. Okay, so we're going to have 1,000. 1 times 1,000 is, we're going to have 1,643. Okay, now you can start to see here's the decimals. So I'm going to put my decimal. This is 1 times 1 over 10, which is going to be my tens place. 1 times 1 over 100, which is going to be my hundreds place. And 9 times 1 over 1,000, which is going to be my thousands place. So 1,643 and 119 thousandths. Okay, if we go to page 34, number 9. Okay, so we got 3 times 10 to the second, which is going to be a number starting with 300. 71 decimal. Nothing in the tens place because you can tell by the exponent here it's a 2. So we're going to have 4 in the hundreds place and 5 in the thousands place. Okay, number 10. 6 times 10 to the first, which is going to be a number 60 something, right? Plus 8 times 10 to the 0, which means 8, so 68. And here's our decimal. We have a tens place and we have a hundreds place. So we have our tens place and we have our hundreds place. Okay, fill in the blanks. First one's done for you. Now we're talking about money, right? So $1.38, we have $1. And we have 3 dimes representing 30 cents. We have 8 pennies. Okay, now if we write this out, we have $1. We got 30 cents. We have 8 pennies. Together that equals $1.38. Okay, number 13, $1.72. So we have, again, $1. We have 7 dimes and 2 pennies. Okay, if we write this out, we got $1. We got 70 cents. And we got 2 pennies. Together, that's $1.72. Okay, 14, 15. Fill in the blanks for the dime, dollar, or cent, penny. Right, so 1/10 of a dollar is what? What do you need 10 of to get to a dollar? Well, you need 10 dimes, right? What do you need 100 of to get to a dollar? Well, you're going to need 100 pennies. All right, that is lesson 3 of Zeta.